This is the main home screen for your app, which will show you your pool's connection status. A green light means the system's connected to Wi-Fi and it's ready to be used. If you have any Wi-Fi issues, if your Wi-Fi goes out, that light may turn red. You can always swipe down and refresh this screen if that's the case. Sometimes the app needs a refresh. If you see a yellow light, that means the system's been put in service mode by someone working on the pool equipment or your service tech. So just take it out of service mode. Once it's in auto, it will go back to a green light. Now we're going to select that and we're going to go into the app. This is the main screen. It displays our current air temperature, our current pool temperature, our spa temp. This particular pool does not have a chlorine system. If it doesn't have a salt system. If you had a salt chlorine generator, that would be displayed in this right-hand corner. Currently, our filter pump is the only device running. Spa heater and pool heater would both refer to a gas-fired heater, and heat pump is your electric heat pump. Spa mode does what it says. It puts the pool in spa mode. And then set temps. You can adjust your spa heat here, and you can adjust your pool heat here. You hit save, and of course you would turn that device on to heat the swimming pool or the spa. To make any scheduling adjustments, you can push this little cog in the right-hand corner and it's going to pull up the next screen. This screen lets us set schedules for any pieces of equipment on the pool. Chlorinator is to adjust the salt chlorine generator settings if you have a salt system on your pool. And adjust pump speeds allows you to adjust the speeds of your variable speed pump. We can start by going into schedules. And now you can see we have our filter pump and then different water features scheduled to run throughout the day. You can add schedule if you wanted to schedule lights or another device. And adjust pump speeds. Select which pump you want to adjust. And then this is where you can change pump speeds for the pool. Equipment allows us to manually turn on pieces of equipment. This pool, we have our pool light. Open it up, select the color, and it's going to change water feature, turns the water features on, air blowers, and then we have two open auxiliaries which could be utilized if someone added something to this pool in the future. You also have one touch where you would just hit one button. These can be programmed to run multiple devices at the same time. You just come in here, you click one time, rather than go into equipment and turn each device on individually. Every pool is different, so those would be customized to each individual pool. If we want to use the spa, we would go ahead and put this pool in spa mode. There's a delay while the valves turn back at the equipment. We tap OK. We'll see our pool temp now says spa mode. We will turn the spa heater on, which will fire off the spa's gas heater. And then once our valves rotate, we'll get a temperature up here at spa temp. Now we're in spa mode. Our gas heater's fired and we're heating the spa. Usually one of these systems will be programmed. I like to have them programmed with a countdown timer or an egg timer, if you will. Most spas, if I've programmed it, it's set at 2.5 or 3 hours. So if you are hanging out and forget to shut the spa off, after that time expires, it will automatically shut itself down, keeping you from burning a ton of gas overnight. I try to prevent that from happening. That being said, if you want to shut it off before that time expires, just tap spa mode again, and the system's going to shut down. You'll be prompted that the spa is going to remain on for a cool down. Just tap OK. Now don't touch anything and give it time to cool down. It's usually about 5 minutes. Just remember the spa is going to be on, so you'll see water flowing in the spa.